The irresistible and crunchy Oreo cookies, those cream-filled delights we love so much. Taking a bite and experiencing the combination of its crunchy texture with the burst of sweetness is a unique sensory experience that transports us to the next level. But have you ever wondered how these famous cookies are made? What secret do they hide inside their factories? Well, today I invite you to join me on a tour of an Oreo factory, and we will discover how one of the most popular cookies in the world is produced. Who knows, maybe after watching this video, you will change your way of seeing them forever. So, get comfortable, and let's begin. Oreo cookies were born in 1912, created by the American company Nabisco, which is currently part of Mondelez International. The Oreo was developed as an imitation of Hydrox cookies, which had been on the market since 1908. The first Oreos consisted of 2 dark chocolate cookies with a vanilla cream filling in the middle. Since their launch, these cookies have maintained their essence, becoming one of the most popular and recognized in the world, thanks to their unique flavor and distinctive design. Now that you know how one of the world's most popular products was born, join me inside the factory and let's see its production process. Step number 1, selection and mixing of ingredients. It all begins with selecting high-quality ingredients for the cookie dough. Mainly, sugar, cocoa powder, flour, vegetable oil, and a mix of leavening agents and preservatives are used. These ingredients are poured into enormous industrial mixers, where they are combined until a uniform and homogeneous dough is obtained. The cocoa powder gives the cookies their characteristic dark color and unique flavor. Step number 2, molding the cookies. The resulting dough is transferred to a molding machine. This machine flattens the dough and then cuts it into small circles with the characteristic Oreo design. The design includes the word Oreo in the center and a decorative border, giving each cookie its distinctive appearance. The machine can produce thousands of cookies per hour, maintaining incredible precision and consistency. Step number 3, baking. The molded cookies are carefully placed on a conveyor belt that takes them through an industrial oven. The baking is done at precise and controlled temperatures to ensure each cookie is baked uniformly. This process lasts only a few minutes, but is crucial to achieving the perfect crunchy texture that characterizes Oreos. Step number 4, cooling. Once they come out of the oven, the cookies pass through a cooling system. This is essential for the cookies to maintain their shape and acquire that crunchy texture. The cookies are quickly cooled by industrial fans before moving to the next stage. Step number 5, preparing the cream filling. While the cookies cool, the delicious cream filling is prepared. It consists mainly of sugar, vegetable oil, and flavorings. The cream is mixed until smooth and fluffy. Once ready, it is placed in a dispensing machine that is ready to assemble the cookies. Step number 6, assembly. The assembly is a completely automated process. The machine places a precise amount of cream in the center of one cookie and then places another cookie on top, forming the classic Oreo sandwich. This step is performed at an astounding speed, assembling thousands of cookies per minute. Before packaging, the cookies undergo a rigorous quality control. It is checked that each cookie has the correct amount of cream and that they are perfectly assembled. Cookies that do not meet the standards are removed from the process. Step number 7, packaging and distribution. The perfectly assembled Oreos are grouped into packages by a packaging machine. They are packed in different sizes and formats, from family packages to individual portions. The packages are sealed to maintain freshness and then labeled with product information. Finally, the packed cookies are sent to distribution centers and from there to stores around the world. The Oreos are ready to reach store shelves and eventually your home. And that is how Oreo cookies are made, from the mixing of ingredients to the final packaging. Each step is designed to ensure the cookies are perfect in every bite. Despite being irresistible, it is important to remember to consume them in moderation to maintain a healthy lifestyle. To conclude, we have a question for you. Now that you have seen up close how these delicious cookies are made, what is your favorite flavor of Oreo?